How's it going, guys? It's IGTV, and today I just wanted to show you guys how to download Instagram lives and IGTV videos, which is pretty amazing. Like, for me, as a tech reviewer, I need information and videos to show you guys, so that videos are more entertaining and not less boring with me showing you pictures all the time. But yeah, so what you're gonna need is this application, Story Save. Now, this application started as a third-party application. It wasn't available in the Play Store, but now it is available in the Play Store. Just search for Story Save, not Story Saver or all the other ones. If you can't find it, then what you need to do is to go to the Play Store. For me, it comes in the recommended page, but if you can't find it, you have to go to the website of Story Saver. I've got it here already typed in, so you're gonna have to go to the website of the developer, which, for those of you that don't know, the developer is a person that created this actual application, and he's done multiple applications before, like Casper. As you can see, I've already got it installed. This is the name of the developer. If you want to go check it out yourself, you can do that. And he's a real good guy, and he developed many other applications that really work well in terms of doing these types of features and things that you can't really get on Instagram right now. So when you open the application, what happens is you're gonna prompt to log in with your Instagram account, because I've already logged in. For me, it's going to be a lot easier to get into the platform. Now, okay, first you're going to be greeted with the stories, the posts, and the lives. I don't know, my network is a bit slow today, and it's going to start to rain in a few minutes, so I have to make this quick. So what you just go and do is you go into the live side. Basically, right now I do not have any lives, but what you can do is, when you're on the live feature, you can tap on it to record. If someone's live, let's say Marquez Brown is live, and I can tap on it, it can record the live while it's commencing, so that when it's finished, you can watch the video, watch the live as a replay type of thing. Or you can just wait until they finish the live and save the live on Instagram, so that you can click on it again and then download it from there. So it's your choice whether you want to either record the live or you want to save it, which is quite simple. Now, the most exciting feature is you can also download pictures. You can also download pictures and stories. It works the same as the previous app that I did on how to save Instagram stories and pictures. But now, what's most powerful about this application is that you can also go to Instagram IGTV videos. So if someone is on IGTV and they made an IGTV video, you can also download those with this actual application, which is amazing. I feel like a lot of people don't really know about this, and this application is available in the Play Store, so you don't have to jump through a lot of hoops to actually get it. So if they say I want a review of this smartphone, I just click I just click download. Automatically it's downloading. Very simple. It's gonna take a little bit of time right now for me, because I'm outside and the Wi-Fi is a bit slow, but I'll fast forward this a little bit so that you guys can see once it's done. And basically, you can just download any of these videos. You see, this is where I got the video for this car when I did my CES videos. Most of the videos that I get are from these accounts, like The Verge, and many of the tech channels that I get information from, so that you don't get like copyright strikes from YouTube for using other YouTubers' videos. So you can get videos from these channels on Instagram, and you won't get those community strikes or get your videos demonetized and stuff like that. So it's quite easy and quite simple for you guys to actually use these videos, and it's quite safe. Now if they find out, well, they can't do nothing because it's from a different platform. Just waiting for it to finish. Password is now once it's 100% finished. Once it's 100% finished, it said it's already saved. There's two ways you can check your saved videos. Is where you can go back here, you can click here, and then you go to manage or saved media, and as I've said, it takes a bit of time. And there's your saved media. So now here's your post, your stories, which I haven't saved anything, your lives, and your profiles, and you've got here your IGTV video. Now here it doesn't show quite properly, and what you would need to do is, because this phone of mine is a bit old, you're gonna need an application called MX Player, because it doesn't show Instagram videos even when you download it. So for me to play this video, I need that MX Player to play it with the application. I'm not sure if it's gonna work on this one. Probably not. If it does, but you're gonna need MX Player to watch those videos. And yeah, but with newer devices it's gonna be easier, because the audio, because the quality of the video won't be affected by the processor. So for me in this phone it's kind of a problem. But if, let's say, once I've got this video done and it's playing, then I'll download my editor and then put it into my editor, and then it will play properly. And once I've got it, I'll put it into my editor, play it, and then edit it, and then put it into a video so that you guys can enjoy the content. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notification to stay notified of the latest videos on the channel. I'm Tech, and yeah, tell me if you like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.